life. As we sing this song, and let us march our offering to the Lord. You are my God, you are my King, you are my Savior, Redeemer and friend. You gave me life, you gave me hope, and a love beyond measure that will never end. You came to me and set my soul free. Now I can be what you want me to see. You opened my eyes, so now I can see. Oh, how could I ever repay? You are the answer to all of my questions. Without you, there's no meaning in my life. You are the treasure so dear in my heart. You're the reason for this joy that I have. You are my love and my life. You mean to me